Hi, this is the $600 computer, the one I'm swapping out the 574 for the 1660 Super. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to show you how the RGB controller works. Of course, you have just the off button. Oh, it's already starting. And then the on button. And you can control, of course, the different modes and different... Oh, it's already in Windows. All right, cool. So put this down. Let's go ahead and show everything working. So we're going to start with the... What is it? Let's go to Files, boom, boom, boom. So we can go in here, zoom in, it's running Windows 10 Pro, got an Intel Core i3-10100, and then 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is the Neo Forza RGB RAM right there. Now, let's go ahead and zoom back in. We're gonna open up a program called Speccy, and that's gonna show you everything that's in this computer. So yep, it has a Windows 10 Pro, it has Intel processor, but of course if you click that, it tells you it's the Intel Core i3-10100, and it has the 4 cores, 8 threads, which is pretty dang good for today. Then we have the 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that is the Neo Forza RAM that I mentioned and showed before. And the motherboard is the Gigabyte B460 DS3H. Then you have the GeForce GTX 16 Super, and that is installed here. We can go to the NVIDIA control panel, and just to verify, let's bring down this panel here, and there we go. GTX 1660 Super running version 457.51. And we go back, you have 256 gigabyte SSD. Let's go down here. There we go. And then of course, you will be agreed on a trade to use without the SSD and everything, but I'm just here to show you that everything is working beforehand. Now, we're gonna go ahead and run a bit of a benchmark. But before that, let's go ahead and validate with GPU-Z. And there we go, GeForce GTX 1660 Super with all the specs. And as well as CPU-Z. Of course, according to Intel Core i3-10100, 4 cores, 8 threads. Now we're going to zoom out here and actually run this benchmark in its entirety. And this is a Unigen Superposition benchmark meant to, actually test out the computer, all aspects of it. So we can go ahead and just have the camera right here with the computer in the background. Times like this, I wish I could just put it on my tripod. There we go. And you have our score. Let's go ahead and go ahead and exit that out. And yeah, that is the computer in all its working glory, ready to go.